What happened? Hello.
Hi.
Oh, somebody said hi. Accidentally pressed the skip button. Accidentally.
Hi, bro. What's up? How you
Nothing
doing?
much. Nothing much.
Like, nothing
Yeah.
much. Same here, bro. Same here.
Same here.
Just bored.
Bored.
Just bored.
Bored. You're from
I'm from Pune.
Pune. Okay.
Yeah.
So, like, what's the distance between Pune and Mumbai?
Mumbai. It's like about 100 kilometers only. 100 to
Okay.
200 kilometers. It's
100.
about by train. It's about two hours only.
2 hours. Okay. That's not that far away.
My birth nation is from sorry birth क्या कहते हैं उसे
Birthplace.
birthplace is from
Mumbai.
Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Jaipur. Okay.
Jaipur, Rajasthan.
That-
Yeah.
Jaipur is the capital, right? Capital of Rajasthan.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Hawa Mahal, Taj Mahal. Sorry, Hawa Mahal, Jal Mahal. Not Taj Mahal.
yeah. As well.
Yeah, Taj Mahal is in Uttar Pradesh.
It's in UP.
Mm-hmm.
So what you doing right now? Course.
Oh, what I'm studying.
What?
I'm actually working. Okay, I do some videography editing.
In Spain.
No, no, mostly work from my home as a freelancer, editing
Yes.
videography.
That's quite good.
I mean, it's working.
I am just a student. अरे रुक जा. आजा बैठ जा. I'm
Hostel.
just a student. अरे कौन चला रहा है? अरे भाई ये रहा है. बैठ बैठ आराम से. Bro, talk to him.
Okay.
English में बात.
Hello, buddy.
You are from West Bengal.
That's right.
My friend is also from West Bengal.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
nigga.
अरे बच्चा लगा
Okay.
रहे.
He told he is from a village, but not a village, but a town which is 2 hours to Kolkata.
So, like, what are you studying? Which course?
यार
BBA,
उसको यार बस कर जा.
BBA in IT.
BBID.
BBA IT.
Arey, everything is just like this.
It's like BBA plus BCA.
BBA plus BCA.
Yeah, it's like that
Yeah,
only.
Okay.
BCA पढ़ रहे हैं, BCA
yeah,
का
yeah.
मतलब.
It's better to be uneducated rather than taking up this degree.
Okay. So, are you guys like 18? 18?
Yeah,
18,
I'm
We are
18.
19. I am 19.
18, 19. Okay. Have you, like, like, how often do you use this site? Like, is it your first time or
Very often,
Very
daily,
very
often.
often?
daily.
Daily,
Daily? Wow.
Whenever
क्या
we,
दिक्कत है?
whenever,
घुस जा उसके मुंह में.
whenever we get time, we use it.
Okay, that's quite good. Actually, I learned most of my English from this website.
So in English,
You learn English on this website.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, like,
Impressive, brother.
I have no, no. It's a good website if you use it positively.
yeah, this guy which is interrupting us again and again
Mm-hmm.
by seeing his face, the people skips.
Okay.
This is the reason why people skips.
Yeah,
Oh, nah, it's okay. You can also
let's
take
go
this
with any manners.
subscription. Do you know, you can also take a subscription of this website.
Yeah, Poggles.
Yeah, I have got it.
Bad boy.
No, no.
We have
We do
taken
have
this.
taken
We have taken
subscription
this
for
once,
this.
but it was useless
It was useless.
Why?
because this guy.
Girls do skip us.
Because of this guy. पे मैं फिर टपली मारूंगा और भाई
भाई
बेटी
मत
बंद कर
कर.
दे भाई तेरे मुंह से इतनी गंदी बदबू आती है ना
बस कर जा. बस कर जा भाई. भाई
वाटरमेलन
खत्म.
की
ओरे बेंच ओए. साले तेरा टाइम देख के मेरी गांड फट गई एक बार के लिए.
9:30 तो बज गए
And
game with
which else language do you understand?
I Bengali English. I understand Hindi too, but for like
But
to
like in Hindi. You like to speak English.
yeah. Why not? It's practice.
Yes, sir. Okay, that's good. English is accepted यार
Yeah,
acceptable
accepted.
है everywhere अरे यार
Yeah,
क्या बोल रही हूँ
expectable.
English is good language,
English is fine
but Hindi is above it.
Hindi is above English. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
it's a mother tongue that's why
because it's useless to feel pressurized if you don't know English. English is just a language to communicate.
Yeah,
it's like Bengali for you and Hindi for us
It's not life.
अरे यार हिंदी नहीं आती मैं क्या बोलूँ
that's true.
ना मेरे को इंग्लिश आती
Don't get into that. The politics is going out right now on the way of communication that you should know Marathi or
this is
any other
the
language
Mogar
to
Mm-hmm.
stay in that state or a city. We are Indians. We should know Hindi.
Yeah, I know
Hindi is
Hindi. I know
the first
Hindi.
language of a country.
Yeah. So, are you also born in like where are you from?
from UP
UP Agra.
Okay, Agra,
Yeah.
Taj Mahal. What's the
yeah Tajmehal
Only one
he
thing.
said Tajmehal is in Rajasthan there but
no, it's Agra.
Why only one
he's
thing comes in your
number
mind while listening to Agra? Agra is multiple things.
Mm-hmm.
Many multiple things here.
Like Taj
Which
Mahal.
shoes are
What
you? Which
else?
shoes you do? Which shoes do you have?
Which shoes?
Yeah.
Like I don't know. I have lots of shoes.
What?
Like company. Are you asking for the company?
हैं क्या
Adidas or
Yeah.
Nike?
No.
These all goods are made in Agra only.
Okay. Okay.
The Agra is the hub for the shoes. From Adidas, Bata, Nike, every
Factories.
the
अरे मेरे
the
माता
limited same limited edition. All shoes are being made over there.
Wow.
We are the one of the largest producers of silver jewelry over there.
I didn't
Lots
know.
of jewelry
I used to
very
think
great quality
I used to think it's only for Taj Mahal, but that's not
No,
true.
no, no. Lots of raw materials comes from Rajasthan, the biggest mining silver
Yeah.
which we have in India, and it's been processed in over here in Agra. Or
Me?
he's from West Bengal.
Yeah.
West Bengal, no?
Kimoch he also speak West Bengal he
কেমন
is
আছো? কেমন আছো? How are you?
कैसे हो इसका
कैसे
मतलब
हो?
तुम्हें को पता है भाई भाई बबीता जी देखो
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
आई हैव बबीता जी
Mhm.
I love Howrah Bridge.
Howrah Bridge. Have you been to Howrah Bridge?
I hate Mamta Banerjee.
डू यू लाइक सत्यजीत रे
Yeah, yeah,
ये लाइन तुमको रट गई
yeah. The director, he also got the Nobel Prize, not Nobel, something.
द ऑस्कर
ये बच्चा क्यों
Oscar.
लड़ रहा है वैसे?
Yes.
Freelancer. Can you do a freelancing for me?
इट विल
Tell the whole West Bengal that you have to be come out from the empire of Mamta Banerjee.
Who should I tell?
The people of West Bengal.
Okay. Which government do you support? BJP.
I don't support any party. I believe that the individual person who is fighting, even an individual, not affiliated by a party, is better than
प्लीज यार
पंखा बंद कर दे मैं तो चूत.
प्लीज टर्न ऑफ द फैन भाई भाई ये लोड़े पंगा
What's the problem?
Which party do you support?
I cannot tell that. I mean, I don't know. I don't know.
Because the person who is the MP from my constitute is a
Yeah.
BJP, but he never comes to Agra.
Never comes to Agra. That's the
Yeah.
problem, right? That's the problem.
What?
That's the problem.
Yeah, give your Instagram ID. We will connect.
I don't have Instagram.
ये freelancer कैसे है फिर? Then how are you a freelancer? On which platform do you work?
Now I work for my friends. My friends like
अब उसकी इंग्लिश पढ़ लेगा ना भाई गांड पड़ के हाथ में ऐसी ऐसी पढ़ेगा ऐसी को समझ में नहीं आया या फिर ऐसी
So
पढ़ेगा
you works for your friends.
friends. Yeah,
बड़े दोस्त हैं भाई आपके. You have lot of friends.
that's true. That's true. So what do you want to do? Like you are studying. What do you want to do?
what I want to do.
Yes.
See. The goal, the basic goal I have in my life that
Hmm.
when I die, lots of people come to visit me to see me last time.
After your death.
To see a motherfucker
Yeah,
dying.
the motherfuckers of the mafias and the gundas like him. Makal Laudai.
So you three people share the room, right? You have to.
No,
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 no.
no.
It's
It's
two.
a two share bedroom. We are just the more people living here.
Yeah. Right now, one person of this has gone to his home.
So
Okay.
we have
So,
fucked up his room.
so we have fucked up his home.
We have fucked up
I
his
didn't understand anything, but it's like somebody else
It's a
lives
English बोल
here.
भाई उसको इंग्लिश सीख रहा
yeah.
है.
It's
He
a
is learning English.
yeah, it's a double sharing room.
Okay.
One
No, no.
person has gone back to his home.
My English is quite
Okay.
good.
So there was only one person left. We three came and we captured this place.
Ah, okay.
And now we are enjoying our life.
You're enjoying your life.
With me. With me. Yeah,
With
enjoy
him.
your life with me.
With him.
Okay,
Just
Janab, Jai
You
Hind.
know,
We
All
are going to
right.
leave.
just give.
bro,
I
we are
just
going
give.
to
I
These
just
guys
give.
want to
I
say
just
something.
give. I
Yeah.
just give them a pleasure that they want in their lives.
Yeah, he gave us the blow job. I gave his my light and he gave his mouth.
Yeah.
bro. He's saying Boga Chola. That means
Bad ka loda.
Yeah. I don't know.
you don't know Boga Chola.
I know, but
Meaning?
you don't know.
Wait, I have a question for you.
बता.
Why you put potato in your Kolkata biryani?
Bro, it's an emotion.
Potato.
Fuck you. It's an emotion, right?
I am not
See,
into. I
potato
mean.
in mutton.
Hmm.
It's an emotion.
It's an emotion, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are going to eat food.
Yeah.
It was great time meeting you.
All right. Same here.
Soon
Arush
चलेगा.
Khanna. Arush. Who is Arush?
Arush is. अरे रुक यार साले.
Chudigar.
Arush was
Okay.
him. My name is
Okay.
Yash.